Hello children, welcome back to your English class. I hope everyone is well, fit and fine at home and staying home only. Children, today we are going to start a new topic, that is punctuation. Punctuation marks are the traffic signals of language. They tell us to slow down, notice things, take a detour, and to stop. What is punctuation? Punctuation is used to create sense, clarity, and stress in sentences. You use punctuation mark to structure and organize your writing. Here are children some of the punctuation marks. The very first one is hyphen, then apostrophe, comma, exclamation mark, colon, dash, question mark, full stop, semicolon, dots, quotation marks. Full stop is also known as period, which is used at the end of a sentence. Exclamation mark, used at the end of an emphatic declaration, interjection, or a demand. In simpler words, it's used to express feelings. Question mark, it is used at the end of a sentence that asks a question. Colon is used before a list or an explanation that is preceded by a clause that can stand by itself. Semicolon is used to help sort out a very big list. Apostrophe is used to create possessive forms, contractions, and some plurals. Punctuation marks. Children, here we are going to discuss few important punctuation marks only. Full stop to end the sentence, question mark where question is being asked, comma to join two or more ideas in a sentence or separate items in a series, exclamation to show strong emotion, quotation marks are used to show the words that have been directly quoted. Means if you are saying something, I can use those sentences by using quotation marks. Colon introduces the information that comes after it. Semicolon connects two complete sentences that are related. Apostrophe is used to show possession or for contraction of word. What does these quotation marks really mean? For wherever there is a comma, I think we should take a break for a second. And wherever there is a full stop, I think we should stop altogether for most probably 3 seconds. And exclamation is used for I agree. And question mark, that means what are you guys talking about? That means wherever the question is, you have to put the question mark. Children, here in this slide, I have used the punctuation mark in the explanation itself. For example, first one is full stop. It marks the end of the sentence. Full stop is there, which is also known as period. Comma, it separates words. Then see, you can see here it is comma. Then ideas, comma, phrases or clauses. So I have used commas to make clear that how we can use the comma here. Next is question mark. Is it used after question? Yes, it is. So I have shown you how you can use question mark in a sentence. Exclamation mark. It shows how emotions and emphasis, how strong the emotion is, right? And hence again I have used the exclamation mark to tell you how you can use the exclamation mark. Apostrophe. It's used for replacing missing letters. Here the apostrophe is used as a contraction. Here it is था, ठीक है? So उसके contraction में its apostrophe is used. Next is semicolon. It introduces a list and adds an explanatory clause. जब हम कुछ explain करते हैं तो semicolon लगा के then list we put the list. Semicolon. It separates independent clauses that are related. दो independent clauses को जोड़ने के लिए we use semicolon. And the dots, जिसको हम ellipsis भी कहते हैं. It indicates that some words are missing. Like here I have put 3 dots, which indicates that some letters are missing. The next is quotation marks. They introduce a quotation. I like them. So here I have used the colon also and told how we can list the sentences by using colon and also the quotation marks. Like someone has said this statement and that is why I have used quotation marks to quote them. So children, I hope you were very much clear with the punctuation marks, and if there is any doubt children, you are most welcomed. Till then children, please take care of yourselves and please stay home. Thank you and have a good day.